Greetings. In this quick video, I want to show you how to start pairing or connecting your controller that's not connecting to your PS4 console. Now this video is for the PS4, but it should work with the PS3 and the PS2 to troubleshoot it. Now don't panic. It won't ruin your weekend. It's not going to ruin your Christmas or your vacation. We're going to get through this together. We're going to get it connected. So the first one is obvious. Just restart your console. Just completely restart it. And if you haven't done that already, and then see if it will start pairing and connecting the controller to the console. Okay, that's the first one. Second one is, I'm sure you have a mini USB cord like this, and I want you to connect it to your USB if you're just using it, the wireless portion of it. Actually physically connect it to the console. And of course it looks like this. It's called a mini USB right here. Now, if for whatever reason you lost this, these are very easy to acquire. You may have a smartphone like a Samsung Galaxy or whatever. It uses the exact same cord that you use on your PS4. So just ask around, ask your family members, look around your cabinets and your closets. You probably have one of these from an old phone or another device. So look for this. And then if you did lose your PS4 mini USB port, and then see if it works. If for whatever reason you don't, and you lost this, you can purchase them on Amazon for less than $10 or eBay, and I'll put a link in the description. But hopefully you can find it. Now, if you do have it and you're still having the same issues, you'll see that on the console it's got two USB ports that you would connect this to. So you may have been trying one of the USB ports and not the other one. So what I want you to do is unplug it and then connect it to the other USB port. It could be that one of the USB ports are bad, or it's just not making a good connection. So take it out and then put it in the other USB port. Now try doing that. Next thing I want you to do is reset your controller while the PlayStation is powered on. And to do that, you see this little pinhole right here. So what you can do with that is you just get like a little paper clip or a safety pin or something very small, and you hold it into that hole for like 2 to 3 seconds, and that will help the controller pair with the console. You might have to use like a little small screwdriver, but you'll find something to just hold in there for like 2 or 3 seconds. That'll reset it. Then tell me if your controller is starting to pair with your PS4. Hopefully it will. Okay, if you've tried all that, what I want you to do now is restart everything. But what I want you to do is unplug your PS4 from the wall. Okay, physically unplug your TV. And I want you to reset your router. So if you're having your PS4 connected to the router, to the Wi-Fi rather, I want you to reset the router. Or one way to do it is just unplug the router from the wall. And what I want you to do is give it about a good 5 minutes. If you have it connected to the Ethernet, to the plug, just unplug that as well from the wall. Everything unplug it. And I want you to wait at least 5 minutes till everything resets. Plug everything back in, and then tell me if you're able to get your controller pairing. One of those solutions is going to fix your problem. It is possible that your controller is broken, and you can get those. You can get those on Amazon or online. And it could be your console, but it's most likely your controller if you tried all that. I hope I helped you with your problem. If I did, make sure you tell me in the comment section which solution worked for you. And definitely hit the subscribe button for me. Hit the like button. And also hit that bell notification to let you know when I got other videos coming out. I do appreciate you watching, and have a great rest of your day.